Alright, hey everybody, Twisted Mister. So today I wanted to do a cold start and somewhat of a review of my 2009 Dodge Ram 1500. It's the 5.7 4-wheel drive quad cab. I've had this truck for about a week now and I absolutely love it. I've already made about 1,300 mile road trip in this vehicle and it was absolutely amazing. The seats are comfortable, but not quite a 12-hour drive one-way comfortable. Alright, here we'll go ahead and set the camera up and do a cold start. Hold on a sec. I'm trying to set the camera up so I can do a start video.
Why don't you have me hold it?
Alright, you wanna hold it? Alright, hold it. It's recording.
Oh.
So just...
You mean hold it facing the exhaust? Huh? Okay. Nothing like a face full of exhaust fumes.
Yeah, right? Alright, so the day after I got the truck, I had the stock muffler and the resonator removed and a aftermarket muffler put on. Now I don't know what brand that muffler is, but it is just temporary till I can afford the dual Flowmaster exhaust kit that shop has.